For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking about Mr. Incredible, Benjamin Andrew Stokes, or the world calls him as Stokesy. But why is he in the news? Is he the world's best all-rounder at the moment? I'll come to that in just a bit. But he's in the news because of scoring over 200 runs in the second test match against West Indies in Manchester, and that's not all. He also took 2 wickets, so that puts him in one of the unique clubs of cricketers who has scored 200 runs plus 200 runs and also bagged a couple of wickets in a test match. That is indeed an incredible feat. Now, coming back to the question I posted, is he the world's best all-rounder at the moment? If you ask any cricket fan or expert at this point of time in the 21st century, he will certainly say that Benjamin Stokes is leading the way as far as all-rounders are concerned. You can have the likes of Ravindra Jadeja and the ODIs, you can have the likes of Jason Holder and Ravichandran Ashwin in test match cricket, or even Shakib Al Hasan in test match cricket and ODIs. But when it comes to performing in all 3 formats, there is no one like Benjamin Andrew Stokes. I have my theory to prove my point as well. Just take a look at his performance in the last one and a half seasons. In all the important matches for England, who has stood up for England? It is Stokesy. Remember the 2019 World Cup final? Well, when England needed him, he not just scored runs, but also scored them in incredible situations, in impossible situations. He was there in the super over, he was there batting till the very end. Yes, it was a tight final, but then in the end it was all because of Stokes that England managed to lift their maiden 50-over World Cup crown. Let's talk about Test cricket now. What happened against Australia in the Edgbaston Test match in 2019 Ashes series? England was down and out, Australia all set to retain the Ashes. But what happens next? Benjamin Stokes pulls out an incredible knock of 140 plus in order not just deny Australia but also level the series for England. And what happened to the rest of the series? England managed to level the series, and the Ashes series, the final result was that it left at 2-all. It was all because of Stokes. Rightfully, he was declared as the man of the series, and also he was the ICC Player of the Year. Well, there was no competition there because the kind of tournament he had, the kind of season he had, no one, and I repeat it, no one comes even close to Benjamin Stokes. What in the T20 format? Well, he's yet to score runs for England in the T20 format or even a World Cup, but who knows, with the T20 World Cup lined up in the next 2 years, anything can happen. And he also has an IPL 100 to his name, playing for Rising Pune Super Giants. So, is he one of the all-time greats? Well, that is a question which will be answered in the time to come. But do not forget that England has been wanting an all-rounder of the class and caliber of Ben Stokes. They had Ian Botham, the legendary Ian Botham. Then you had Andrew Flintoff for some time. But what Ben Stokes provides is he provides them runs, takes wickets, and also fields with his heart out. So clearly Benjamin Stokes is one who, if he continues to put in the hard yards and continues to put in the runs and wickets across formats, then for sure he will end up as one of the greats of the game. What is your memory of Ben Stokes? That one standout memory of Ben Stokes? Do send in to us. Do write in your comments and feedback in the section below. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News9 Digital across all social media platforms.